Welcome back to your computer application class 6. In this part of the video, we will continue the topic Presentation Visual Effects. In this part of the video, we will discuss about transition effects and animation effects. But first of all, we should know that what are the transition effects? Transition effect is a visual effect that appears when you move from one slide to the another slide. For having the better idea of the transition effect, here I'm going to use a presentation to display that how we can work with the slide transition effects in PowerPoint. Here I'm going to use a presentation which I have created for the ready reference. So here it is. Here I had created a presentation on categories of computer. So 3 slides are there, right? Here I need to insert the slide transition, and as I had explained that the slide transition are the special effect which always appears when we move from the one slide to the another slide. So let's insert the slide transition effects. For that, first we need to click on animation tab. Here if you will observe closely, the option which is there, transition to the slide group, number of transition effects are available. We can choose any transition effect according to our requirement or according to our need. Now here I'm going to use this transition effect. Here the speed is fast, so let me change the speed as slow. Right. Let's apply the transition effect for the next slide also. Here I'll apply this one. So at present, on all 3 slides, I had applied the different transition effects. To see whether the effects are applied on the transition or not, let's play our presentation on slideshow. So let's click on slideshow, and here I'm going to click on from beginning. See, this is our first slide transition. Now when I will move from one slide to the another, then the rest of the transition effects will appear. Here, right? So transition effects are the visual effects that appears when we move from one slide to the another slide. Next we have animation effect. Animation effects is an illusion of movement by showing a series of still picture in rapid succession. We can also say that animation is a special sound or visual effect that can be added to object on a slide. So for get the better idea of the animation effect, here I'm going to insert a new slide where I will add an image, and there I will apply animation effect. Let's insert image here. Here we have the image. Let's drag it. For increasing the size. There we go. Let's change the background. Right. Here the image is inserted. Now on this image, I'm going to apply animation effect. For applying animation effect, we need to click on animation tab. Here I will click on custom animation. When I will click on custom animation, then a separate dialog box of the custom animation will appear on the right hand side of the screen. Here we will click on add effects. In the add effects, we will get the 4 options: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. We can choose any category in any of the animation effect. or if you want to change it, let's apply the multiple animation effects, and let's make the speed slow only. For checking whether the animation effects are applied on it or not, let's view it on slideshow view. Now I'm going to show you transition effects and animation effects both on the presentation slide. For that, let's click on slideshow, and from beginning, this is our transition effect. That is also a transition effect. This is also a transition effect because we are moving from one slide to the another, and while moving from one slide to the another, the special effect which appears, they are termed as slide transition effects. This is also a transition effect. Now, this is our animation effect. That animation effect is applied on the object, not on the slide, but on the object. See, here I had applied 3 different animation effects on a single object. In the next part of the video, I will explain you how to import the data from one application to the another application, and also how to set the timing for the slides. That's all in this part of the video. Thank you.